People chase glitter, but glitter never heals. So listen, them say I'd rather cry in a Lambo than cry in a little car. But me tell you straight, my friend, that mindset not go far. Cause if you're sad in the small ride, you still believe hope coming soon. But if you're sad in the Lambo, brother, that hit you like a full moon. My friend once told me, when I was poor I still had hope. But when I got rich and still felt empty, I realized sadness can elope. Nothing changes if you don't change inside. No fast car, no big house can heal a troubled mind. Nothing changes if the soul stay blind. You can buy the world, my friend, but peace you'll never find. Yeah, he bought a brand new Lambo right off the showroom floor. Thought the angels would start singing, thought he'd never hurt no more. Turned the key, engine roaring, but the heart was still the same. 10 minutes later, novelty faded, and he realized money can't stop pain. You can escape poverty, but you can't escape your truth. If you don't heal a wound inside, you bleed in the mansion too. Listen, people think success